Today, I'm gonna be removing some of the wheels here. I'm gonna be ordering new wheels from Amazon, and I will put the link down below. So first thing you need to do is you're gonna have to open this zip here. You can just unzip it here, and then you expose the wheel base here. Just peel off the sticky thing here, okay? And it will expose the base of the wheel here. You're gonna have to unscrew 4 Phillips screws here first, okay? And then the wheel will come off, okay? And you can do that for all 4 if you like, if you're gonna be replacing all of them. I might be just doing 2 and see what happens. I think a pair of wheels is like $20 on Amazon. Let's go ahead and unscrew this off. Sorry for the shakiness. You get the idea? Okay, I got 4 screws off from here. All right, and then this thing should come up like that. So measure this and make sure it will fit a new, measure the dimensions to make sure it will fit the new wheel. Okay, so this is what looks like. Very simple to do. And now I'm gonna go ahead and order new wheels. So this is dimension from Amazon product. It's pretty close to what I have, so I'm gonna go ahead and order this. So it's from top to bottom, it's 8.8 centimeter or 3.5 inch approximately. And then from side to side is about 4.1 inch, as you can see. Sorry about the clearliness of the screen here, but anyway, this is gonna be the product I'm gonna be ordering from Amazon. I will put the link down below. Also tells you how to replace the wheels here on the product page. I just got this from Amazon. I'm gonna be installing this onto my luggage here. Just need to line up the 4 screw holes here, and then from the inside here, you're gonna be putting in these 4 screws. Pretty simple, and tied it up and see how it works. Let's go. What comes with package? It comes with a pair. I have a screwdriver here and screws here. A little trick is that it's easier to the first screw, stick it out like that, and then try to light it up from the outside, because you can see the hole here between the hole on the new wheel and the screw here. So do it from the outside instead of the other way out. Try to put this first and then try to from the inside will be difficult, but basically you want to do it from the outside here. Start screwing in here, and then it should be much easier. It took a while to replace all 4 wheels. The trick was that try to line up the holes with the screw. Anyway, so it works great now. It's move freely during that 60 degree. Pretty happy with it. Right there. Right there. So I spent about $30 for the wheels. So instead of getting a new luggage, we can be $100, $200. So this will actually extend the life of my luggage. But it's still pretty good. There's no damage to it anyway. Just I don't know how long we have this. Maybe have it for a while. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you folks in the next video. Please click like, subscribe to help me to help my algorithm so more people will see this. Take care. Bye.